Ka-chow!
Remove the airbox by removing the 3 12mm bolts holding it to the chassis. I used a 2-foot extension because 6 inches wasn't cutting it to get to that front lower bolt. The bolts have little collars, so they don't have to be taken all the way out, they can stay with the airbox. Unless you have aftermarket hose clamps, you'll need a flathead screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp from the tube to the airbox. You will also need to disconnect the MAF sensor connector and move it out of the way. Disconnect the vacuum line from the side of the airbox. Gently pull the airbox out at the same time as pushing the intake tube away. The mass airflow sensor has 2 small screws holding it on. Make sure to put light pressure on the screws when removing them so you don't strip the heads. Then there's 2 sets of wires that need to be cleaned. There's an obvious set on the outside and a set that's harder to see on the inside. If you don't clean the inside ones, the check engine light may stay on or come right back on after resetting it. Make sure to only use mass airflow sensor cleaner, and it's super important to let the sensor dry completely before reinstalling and starting the vehicle. If this works for you, you just saved yourself $150 on buying a new sensor. If this doesn't work for you, make sure you find an OEM equivalent sensor. I recommend Denso. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, or subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. You can also find more tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.